Welcome to Section 1 of our YouTube Marketing 3.0 video training, YouTube Marketing Basics. In this section, we'll talk about what is YouTube all about, what YouTube can do for your business, shocking YouTube marketing facts to consider. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What is YouTube all about? We're glad to tell you that we're going to talk about something that you'll just love. We're going to talk about YouTube and what makes it a great platform for everybody. And who doesn't know about YouTube? It is the second most popular and most widely visited website on the planet. And it is considered the place to go if you want to discover video content created by people from all walks of life. But what is it really? What is YouTube? YouTube is, at its very heart, a dedicated web-based video sharing platform for everybody to use. Yet YouTube has become so much more, thanks to the introduction of several features throughout the years that include light social functionality, as well as monetization for user-created content. YouTube got started as a simple video sharing website by 3 former PayPal employees, who were said to have had a hard time finding a way to upload short videos that had been shot at social gatherings. Its creators were also inspired by the difficulty that they had to find replays of popular broadcasts anywhere on the internet. It was launched in 2005 and quickly gained immense popularity among internet users. Such was its popularity that it was bought by Google for almost $2 billion the following year after its launch. What can you find on YouTube? YouTube is largely known as a place for watching videos online, and there you will find all types of video content that you can imagine. Whether you're looking for popular music videos, movie trailers, gameplay footage, sports broadcasts, and news, you will find it on YouTube, no matter where you are in the world. Media outlets, regular people, and content creators from all over the world can use the site to broadcast and publish their content, with videos such as concerts, sports events, live blogs, gaming tournaments, educational videos, documentaries, and live seminars can be uploaded and streamed on the platform. YouTube is such a popular video sharing website that users can even monetize their video content, thanks to YouTube's advertising sharing model for content creators, who are able to upload videos targeted at certain audiences, with some YouTubers making 6-figure incomes with original and curated content. What are YouTube's features? YouTube started as a niche site when it allowed users to create accounts on the site and upload simple everyday videos. But it quickly grew into a video sharing monster with awesome features including video playback. The most used feature on the platform is video playback, with over 1.5 billion monthly users visiting and playing videos on the site, vastly surpassing traditional TV when it comes to video consumption. Video uploads. YouTube allows all its users to upload videos of up to 15 minutes in duration, which has allowed a whole industry of video content creators to flourish on the platform. Live video streaming. One of the most hyped features on the platform is the ability that it gives users to broadcast live video streams on their channels, with a simple setup that doesn't require expensive equipment or extensive broadcasting knowledge. There is so much more to YouTube that you'll be simply amazed with. Stay tuned to discover the benefits that using YouTube can have for your business.